Thank you for sticking with me. What is up? If you don't know who I am Raven, and all about me would be in the description box below. So I'm excited to be back. Woot woot. I'm going to be sharing with you this freaking amazing blender, and also you'll see clips of the blender, how good it works. I'm just making my breakfast smoothie, and that is actually with blueberries, strawberries, pineapple, banana, and yeah, yum. Good morning. It is in my beautiful Starbucks cup, and it tastes just like Jamba Juice, like as if I went to Jamba Juice. It is so good. Anyways, have a good day, guys. Bye. And the recipes and stuff that I made with it, only probably like one or two. But this is what it looks like. It is called, it's spelled BSTEK, so Best Tech Table Blender, but it says it's a table blender, but the thing is so huge. So this is what it looks like. It looks like this. This is the box. I was like, why is it so heavy, right? Why is this so heavy? Why? Because originally I thought it was going to be plastic, but I found out that the actual blender is glass, and I was like, oh, whoa. No wonder why the box was extra heavy. I'm like, duh. Okay, so I can pull it out and show you. Cool. So this is what it looks like. The glass. That noise, it's definitely glass. It has the lid, which is super easy to pull off after you're done making your smoothies or whatever you're making. It has like the lid thing right here, and then it has the circle thing, which is right there. It also has the measurements, if you can see this, which I'm going to bring it really close up to you. Has the measurements right there. What else did it come? So excited. Yes. Came with this. Of course, you have to have this to make your smoothies. This is like the main part to plug it in. So, came with this. This thing is freaking really, really cool. So, right now it's at 0, obviously because it's not on, but the strongest maximum way you can go with your blender, and that means it's like way powerful. So P for powerful. And then it has a 1 and a 2, as you can see that. So normally I use the P, especially because when I make my smoothies, I'm making smoothies with frozen stuff. So yeah. And I think I'm gonna try to make, I'm totally gonna try to make an ice cream too as well. So that's about it, but I'm excited to do like a tutorial, different tutorials on how to make certain things, because with this, you can literally make soups, you can make ice cream, you can even make juices, and I'm like, what? So yes, as the title it says, $400 blender. Yes, it was a $400 blender, but, notice I said but, exclamation mark. I got it for like $30 on Wish. And this is why I love Wish, because I was just like, whoa, a $400 blender for 30 bucks on Wish? You can't go wrong with that, you know, that's a really good deal. So, and I'm very, very happy with the blender too. Super, extremely happy, so. And that's it for the blender. On to the vitamins that I usually take. So, I'm going to move that slide it that way. It's freaking hot. So the vitamins I usually take are fish oil. Fish oil is really, 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 really important. For me, it's important. I don't know about you, but fish oil is really good. So, on to the next one. Okay. CoQ10. CoQ10 is really, really good. And this is 100 mg. And then the fish oil was 1,000 mg. So the CoQ10 is amazing. I like the color of the product. It has a purple lid. And it looks like a pearl too. Actually, I should be taking one of these. Probably will take one after I'm done filming. Okay. So, let's see. It's like a little, it looks like it kind of looks like a Jelly Belly, but it looks like a pearl. It's really, really pretty. So that's a CoQ10. And then iron. Iron is really, really important because I should be eating a lot of fish, but I don't eat a lot of fish. So I was like, I need iron. My body needs iron anyway. So this is 65 mg. This is 65 mg. And then the vitamin B12, this is in 2000 mcg. The reason why this is in 2000, I'll show it to you like this. The reason why I have it 2000 because 1000 mcg wasn't strong enough for my body, so I needed 2000. That's why. Next thing I have is, which I'm probably gonna get more, vitamin C, 500 mg, which also supports antioxidant health, and it's also for your immune system as well. This stuff is so good. Pretty much why I don't get sick a lot is because of this. This is pretty much why. And I also eat oranges too as well. I love this. My mom showed me this. She's the one that gave me this. And when I run out, I'm definitely going to get more. So this is the Puritan's Pride Double Strength Joint Soother. And you take 3 of these a day. So what it does is promotes comfort and flexibility. It comes with 240 capsules. The capsules are pretty big. I'll show you the bottle. Looks like that. And I'll open it and I'll show you guys what it looks like. These are huge. It looks like this. And I like that they're soft. They're not like, those hard ones. So it's really like gentle on your throat. That's what I freaking like about those kind of vitamins. Okay. And now this one is really, really cool. Another one that my mom gave me to try to see if I like it. It's called the Bone Up Vitamin. It's a vegetarian vegan formula with calcium citrate. Promotes bone density. Comes with 120 capsules. This stuff is so good. I love this. I was like, what? So this is what it looks like. The bottle. And then these ones are big. This one I would have to drink tons and tons and tons of liquid to swallow this thing down. It is a little rough on my throat. It's not like soft like this one. but this stuff works really, really good for my bones. So I love it. And that is about it with the blender from Wish and all of my vitamins that I regularly take every day, which I love. And let me know down below, what do you guys take for vitamins or for whatever. Let me know what you guys take every day in the comments down below, and I'll answer back to you guys, as well as if you even drink smoothies or, you know. So let me know. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. I love you a lot, and I won't never stop saying I love you. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed my beautiful video. Also, don't forget to hit the bell, because I am coming back with so many more videos, so many more video ideas, even also collabs with other YouTubers as well. Surprise, surprise. Also, don't forget to be you, be classy. Be you, be classy, and be positive, love others. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Deuces.